I'm still having a block, a creative block right now. I can't come up with something that I want to do. Um, I'm going over reference materials that I have, photographs I've taken of models and stuff like that. And I've got a couple of nudges as far as ideas, but basically I have a mental block right now, and it's driving me nuts. Years ago, I took photographs of a young lady from the Eastern European country of Moldova, I think, who was here working as a maid at a local motel. An artist friend and I hired her to pose as a pioneer girl, and we got some great pictures, but it's just tons of pictures that we have, and I'm just going through these to see if anything sparks my interest as far as a design and a subject. This one, I kind of like this one. I might save that one. I don't know. I've read your suggestions as to subject matter, but so far none of those suggestions have sunk in. That's actually a pretty good subject right there. Two pioneer women. This is my Indian reference folder. Got lots of pictures here. Paintings by Catlin and Bodmer. Pictures from a museum showing how they cut the skin for a shirt. Other artists' photographs to give me ideas. This is an African here, but I like that handling of the blanket. What I'm trying to do is just spark my imagination. My video I took years and years ago of some horses on one of the ranches here in Montana. And I saw these horses on the way to Bozeman and stopped and took a video of them. This is from the movie called Geronimo. I love that picture. I don't know how I could make it work, but I'd love to do something like that. But it's kind of a dark mood. My son in front of one of my monumental sculptures I did. It's on this display at a gallery, Mountain Trails Gallery up in Park City. And he sat down in front of my sculpture, kind of proud of his dad. This rifle is, or this musket is the authentic Native American weapon that was used by them in the 1800s. It was not a, this is from a book about the language of the robe. Different meanings in the way they wore the robe. This is from a model shoot with an Indian model. Just to detail that authentic Indian gun, trade gun. If you're going to do a sculpture of a trade gun, you've got to have good detail pictures of them. A Native American saddle. Images from a book showing how they wore their robes. Showing the construction of the pioneer dress. So I think you get kind of an idea of what I'm going through right now, and I'm just, I don't do this every day. Some days I just sit and do some scribbling. I don't think I've got my tablet around here someplace. Let's see if I can get this in a camera view. Do a little scribbling. I don't draw very well. You take a picture of a maquette that I have that I can position in different positions and try to get an idea. So I'll keep working on it. I'm sorry that it's taking so long. I know you guys love to watch me actually do some sculpting, and I enjoy doing it, so I need to get back into that studio. All right, this is just an update to let you know what's going on and what I'm going through right now as far as research and going over different photographs of paintings and artwork and photographs I've taken, and over the years I've got literally thousands of them, and nothing's sparking. Well, I've got a couple of ideas percolating in my head. Let's see if I can find one here. Well, anyway, I'm going to end this video right now, and don't lose faith. I will be back. Just don't know when. All right. Good night, everybody, and I'll see you when I see you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.